Imagine a world where you never have to choose which console to buy because one single machine plays everything. In 2026, that dream has actually become a reality. For years, the console wars divided us, but the landscape has shifted so much that the PlayStation 5 is now the ultimate, undisputed king of the gaming living room. Whether you're a diehard Sony fan or someone who just wants the best hardware for your money, the PS5 has evolved into something much bigger than a gaming box. It is a cinematic powerhouse, a social hub, and surprisingly, the new home for almost every major game in existence. If you haven't turned yours on in a while, or if you're still on the fence about grabbing one, you are missing out on the golden age of PlayStation. The biggest reason to love the PS5 right now is the sheer library of games. It's not just about the heavy hitters we've always loved, like the cinematic journeys in God of War, the swinging mechanics of Spider-Man, or the emotional weight of The Last of Us. While those exclusives are still the blockbuster movies of the gaming world, the real shocker in 2026 is the disappearance of boundaries. We are seeing a historic shift where even Xbox exclusives are landing on the PS5. Games we never thought would leave the Microsoft ecosystem, like Forza Horizon, Gears of War, and Microsoft Flight Simulator, are all playable right here. With Starfield dropping recently and Fable arriving day one, the PS5 has effectively become a universal console. It is the one place where you can enjoy the best of Sony, the best of third-party developers, and even the best of the competition. But having great games is only half the battle. How they feel in your hands is what makes the experience next-gen. The DualSense controller is still the best in the business. 5 years after its launch, what we thought might be a gimmick has become essential. The haptic feedback lets you feel the texture of the ground and the pitter-patter of rain, while the adaptive triggers make every bowstring pull or car brake feel weighted and real. For the competitive players, the DualSense Edge offers that pro-level customization with back buttons and swappable sticks. Whether you're using the standard model or the Pro version, the tactile connection to the game is something you just don't get anywhere else. If you're a tech enthusiast, the PS5 Pro has pushed the boundaries even further. With the introduction of PSSR 2.0, games are looking sharper than ever. We're seeing higher frame rates and ray tracing that makes lighting look indistinguishable from reality in titles like Resident Evil Requiem. It's the perfect companion for an OLED TV. Even if you stick with the base PS5 or the Slim, the experience is incredibly smooth. The user interface is clean, fast, and stays out of your way. You can jump from your home screen into a game in about 20 seconds. Features like pinned trophies and quick resume make it clear that Sony actually listens to what players want. It's an intuitive system that feels complete and polished. Beyond the hardware, the PS5 has built an ecosystem that follows you everywhere. The PlayStation app lets you manage your library and chat with friends from your phone, while the PlayStation Portal has revolutionized remote play. Being able to stream your console to a handheld while on holiday or just lying in bed is a total game changer. And for those who want to get lost in another world, PSVR 2 offers some of the most immersive VR experiences available, like driving in Gran Turismo 7. When you're done gaming, the PS5 doubles as your media hub with every streaming app you could need and a 4K Blu-ray player for the movie buffs. Ultimately, the PS5 is more than just a piece of plastic and silicon. It's a massive community. Whether you're sharing clips, hunting for trophies, or watching a friend play through a party chat, it's a social experience that feels alive. With massive titles like GTA 6 and Wolverine on the horizon, the future has never looked brighter. The PS5 has spent the last 5 years evolving, and in 2026, it is finally the everything console we always wanted. It is powerful, versatile, and packed with the best games in history. If you want the best gaming experience possible, there is simply no reason to look anywhere else. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. In my opinion, the PS5 is the most complete gaming product ever made. It has successfully bridged the gap between different platforms while keeping its own unique soul. It's a 10 out of 10 recommendation for anyone who loves entertainment.